Hi everybody, this is Avalon from Crafts Direct, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this Hello Pumpkin wood round sign. There are only a few steps to this project, and one of my favorite parts is how neutral it is. It really makes it perfect for any home to hang up this fall. Grab your 14-inch wood round and your ivory paint. And to start, you are going to cover the wood round with your ivory paint. Make sure that you completely cover the front and the side of the wood round. And you are more than likely going to need to do a second coat of paint. Once the paint has dried, you will then lay out everything as you want it. The vinyl should be in the middle of the circle, but somewhat left justified. You are then going to take your wheat pick and you're going to split it in half and just pull it apart. And then put it in the bottom right of the circle. And you're going to want it to kind of be rounded, go around the edge of the circle. You are then going to put your pumpkin in the middle of the wheat pick, so on both sides of the pumpkin there should be wheat. Once it looks as you like, you're then going to take a pencil and lightly mark where you have the vinyl. Use a scraper to go along your vinyl and apply pressure, and then you are going to peel off the top layer of the vinyl. Place the vinyl on the wood round, lining it up with the pencil marks that you made before. But once it looks as you like, you will then press down on the vinyl and then use that scraper again to adhere the vinyl to the wood round. Then you will slowly peel back the paper, making sure that your vinyl is staying on the wood round. Take your wire cutter and cut off each individual stem on the wheat pick. You're going to create two bunches and you want them to have about an equal number of wheat stems. Use floral wire to hold together the bunches of wheat. Position the wheat to be rounded and along the edge of the wood round on the bottom right. And then once you do that, you will adhere them using hot glue. Place the pumpkin in the middle of where the two wheat stems are, and then you will add glue to adhere the pumpkin to the wood round. Take a large piece of jute rope and put it around the wheat pick at the top. Pull it through to the bottom, and then you are going to tie a knot and then create a bow. Take a scissors to cut off any remaining jute that you don't need, and then you can use a little hot glue to help adhere the jute ribbon to stay. And then it's up to you if you want to add a hanger on the back or use some command strips to hang up your sign. But other than that, your sign is now ready to be hung up and displayed. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can shop all the products needed to make this project at craftsdirect.com/projects.